I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing severity and removing obvious causes. If your eyes look yellow, you want to hydrate immediately. Drink 500 to 750 ml of water in the first hour because dehydration can concentrate bilirubin. Once done, stop alcohol and acetaminophen. These increase liver strain. Make sure to reduce fatty meals and processed sugar today because they impede liver detox. You should also note other symptoms, fatigue, dark urine, to guide the next steps in treatment. Now you focus on supporting liver processing. Increase leafy greens, beets, and citrus to boost antioxidants and bile flow. These foods help the liver clear bilirubin more efficiently. Once dietary changes are in place, add gentle exercise. A brisk 20 to 30-minute walk daily improves circulation and metabolism. You can consider milk thistle or turmeric for liver support, but use recommended doses and monitor how you feel, because supplements interact with medications and require caution. Finally, you monitor progress and know when to escalate. Check eye and skin color, urine, and stool once a day. Improvement within 48 to 72 hours suggests mild causes. If no change or if symptoms worsen, make sure to get liver enzyme and bilirubin blood tests. They tell you why you're yellow. If you experience severe abdominal pain, persistent vomiting, confusion, or breathing trouble, seek emergency care immediately. That is the key troubleshooting step to avoid complications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.